Hey everybody, happy Thursday. I know I haven't done my vlogmas. I failed practically this vlogmas for the year, but last year I think I did pretty good, but this year it's just I haven't been myself with social media, like uploading, building content, etc. Today's an exciting video because it's gonna be a haul. It's gonna be a Jeffree Star haul from the mystery boxes. I think everyone knows what this is already. I also have some other hauls from different places. I thought this company was never gonna be back, but I think they're in Nyack, New York. It's in Palisades Mall. If you guys are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe down below and leave a like if you love Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Comments below, what's your favorite stuff in the Jeffree items from the mystery boxes this month. I've been sick and yeah, I'm back. So thank you guys for being so supportive and patient with me. So I want to start with my Jeffree Star and then do everything else. I have my ears to match the holiday season. It has like all of these tissue paper. I'm gonna be using my keys for this to open it, so it's much safer too. In the box you have stickers. I feel like I know where to put these. It says blue blood right here. Can't relate. The thesis. Hi, how are ya? So many cute stuff. It just relates to him in general. The stickers, I think, has like a nice theme for Jeffree. But we all know the tea for this drama. If you guys don't know, I'm not really gonna briefly talk about it. I think it's like out there now because it's like the end of the month. We have two stuff inside. I got the Posh Spice. This is super exciting. I'm gonna keep most of his lipsticks because I only have the Blue Blood Collection lipstick. So this one is Fudge Pop. I don't want to ruin the packaging because it's so pretty. Like metallic, kind of brown. This really matched perfectly with this too. If you put like as a topper, not too bad, I think. We'll see. Or you can use it as a liner. That's what's inside, just those two items. The good thing is, like, you got a refund and you got your box. I only got the mini and the premium because the deluxe was sold out when I was trying to get it. I got this. I already have the palette in here, so if you guys are interested, I'm gonna be selling it on my card for a really affordable price. This is the premium, and the first thing in here is a blue blood, like I said. So it looks like this. Very beautiful packaging, paper and stuff, so you keep your palette secure. The palette looks like this. I might take it out later. Yeah, it looks like that. Super cool. I like the packaging. This was from the Blue Blood collection in February. So, bonus, you know. We all know we got this. This one is the Liquid Frost. This one is in blue balls. Like this. I'm not really going to use this. I don't know, but we'll see about that. This one is Queen Supreme. Bubblegum pink. Very pretty. I think I'm gonna swatch some of these because since I'm using them. Yeah, Queen Supreme. It's like that. Okay, Fudge Pop. It's a really nice gold. It's like a gold shimmery copper going on there. Pop Spice. I just forgot to swatch it. I don't know what to use this, but it looks like, I mean, it looks okay. Jeffree. I never own any types of liquid lipsticks. That's why I'm like keeping them for myself. This one is the red. This one's a cute one. I've seen this before. Hopefully you guys can see swatches. This one was from this box. 2 lipsticks. 3 items. From the blue. Oh, sorry. 4 items. Got these. And the Macari, I'll put it down below because I'll be selling only this And probably I'm thinking about keeping this one, I'm not sure. But don't forget to click in the description down below to check out my Macari. I've been selling on there to make some dough because girl has been sick a lot, so I can't really do much. So I've been just working from home. So yeah, I'm gonna keep these though. I'm so excited. I mean, they're okay, but I can make it work. It's like this from the box. I don't need to keep two, so I'm selling that one for a very affordable price. This. Watch some for you guys to see. One is Crystal Flesh. You can really use that for like a highlighter. It's really pretty. And this one is Entitled. And this one right here is Ocean Ice. I'm a very blue girl. I love blues. So I got super excited when I saw this palette. Like, it was amazing. From Sephora. It's pretty, not too much. Retrogeny palette. I've been wanting this for a very long time. So colors look like that. I'll swatch them like another time, like do a video review. So the next thing is this Anastasia Beverly Hills brow kind of like kit thing. Get brow gel and the mini clear brow gel and the brow wiz. This retails for $30, which is not too bad. Got some stuff from Charlotte Russe. So I'm very into sweaters lately, joggers, so I bought some of that there. So the first one is like this cute tie-dyed sweater, which is super, super pretty. Hoodie, very comfortable. This was $29.99. It was extra large because I like my sweaters baggy. I got this nice kind of like flowy pants. I'm really into that as well. And this was $29.99 as well. Well, the brand is, but it was on sale over there. So it has like this nice cuffing detail on the bottom, so like it makes it look baggy but cute at the same time. It gives you like that nice figure effect for your butt, you know. And then I also got a beanie, pom-pom the top. I think it's really cute. I wanted one just to for the winter. And then I got something to match with the sweater. So it's like a tie-dye pants, which is really cute too. I love it. It's very nice. I like to be comfortable in the winter. I got about 5 of these. I got extra large because I'm a chubby girl. I got 4 of these. These are basically to make you, you know, look nice when you're wearing a dress. Doesn't show like a blub, you know, like your stomach that much. So this is good. It has like that nice high texture going on. The last things were jewelry. It was 2 for $10. Why not? So I got like rings. Very cute. Earrings as well. I love hoops recently, so I got some hoops. I haven't been wearing any jewelry recently, so I'm like, you know, step it up a little bit. So the last place is Walgreens. I want to save this for last. I've been getting sick, like I said, so I've been getting NyQuil. Severe is always the best. Vapor, and it gives you that nice, kind of like a, if you guys know what Vicks is, you'll know. It gives you that nice refresh. So like, I like to have this. It makes me sleep good. My flu goes away quicker. Finally, I bought this e.l.f. putty primer. Everyone's been raving about this. It was only $8, so I just like gave it a shot myself. Ooh. So it looks like that. This one is like a comparison dupe for the Tatcha primer thing. So I got this one because I don't want to have to spend something like that, but got this one. What I got for my little haul. So So let me know in the comments below. What do you guys think of the Jeffree Star Cosmetics mystery box? But guys, for watching, and I'll see you soon.